Mga kapuso, kanina po ay napanood din nyo ang Vox Vocal Excellence Maximum Birit Number. Ngayon naman, Party Pilipinas opens the stage for our very own concert divas. Jonalyn, Kyla, and Rachel Ann, the Decibels.
Something has changed within me. Something is not the same. I'm through with playing by the rules of someone else's game. Too late for second guessing. Too late to go back to sleep. It's time to trust my instincts. Close my eyes and leave. It's time to try to find gravity. I think I'll try to find gravity. Kiss me goodbye, defying gravity, and you won't bring me down. I'm through accepting limits, 'cause someone says there's some things I cannot change, but till I try, I'll never know. Too long I've been afraid of losing love. I guess I'm lost. Well, if that's the love that comes at much too high a cost, I'm too nervous defying gravity. I think I'd like defying gravity. I think I'll try defying gravity. You won't bring me down. So now I'm defying gravity. Kiss me goodnight, defying gravity. I think I'll try defying gravity. You won't bring me down. Bring me
Yeah!
Pamira.
Wow!
Alam mo ang masasabi ko doon?
Ano masasabi mo doon?
Kamusta ka na doon?
Galing!
Ang galing.
Ano masasabi mo doon?
Hindi ako makarecover.
Kinilabutan.
Yeah,
Grabe.
sobra.
Yan ang mga, kung sa sayaw may buwis buhay, meron din sa kanta. Diba? Buwis
Umaangat pa
buhay.
eh. Yan ang
Hindi, maliit na
decibels. Decibels, abangan nyo yan lagi.